Hi, I'm David Vande Berg of Vande Scales, and this is SmartTech. It is here that we talk about things that work and make sense, and things that, in our opinion, do not work and do not make any sense. Concerning these on-floor communications, you know, it's amazed me over the years why people want to do certain things. But you know, really, what do we care? I mean, if they're going to build erector sets basically in their plants, and they want to buy a conveyor scale here, and they want to buy a printer applicator here, and they want to buy scanners over here, and they want to buy conveyors over here, and they want to have all this stuff shipped to their plant, and they want to put it all together themselves, interface it all themselves, and have their own software controlling it. What do we care? I don't care. Why should we care?
I don't care either. The only time that it might become an issue is when we're looking at a system solution, David.
Well, yes, and you know, naturally, when you do things in that manner and something goes to hell in a haywire, so to speak, well, it's difficult to point fingers at any one group. Because, you know, this guy supplied this, and this guy supplied that, and that guy supplied this, and we did our own software, and, you know, yada yada. So it's difficult for a plant manager to hold anybody accountable. Whereas if Jeff Schrick goes over there and sells him an automated box labeling system, and the thing breaks, he knows what neck to grab. You know,
Exactly.
And I think that's actually one of our strengths, because we're there. We've got that neck for him to grab. He can grab onto us and say, hey, you need to fix your stuff, and we know we need to fix our stuff, and we have that responsibility to that customer. Now, but on the flip side of the coin, when we have a customer that wants to piece things together themselves and takes great pride in doing that, I don't have a problem with it. I'll sell them the best components that I have to let them accomplish that. They want to do their own software? Well, have at it. I mean, I don't necessarily agree with that, and quite frankly, it might not be make weights and measures legal, but that's their business, not mine.
And we still stand behind our equipment individually as well.
Yeah, well, exactly. The in-motion conveyor scale, for example, would still be NTEP approved.
Sure.
But how they handle tears now, well, that's another issue. See, a lot of these folks, they don't understand the weights and measures laws. You know, we live it. It's day-to-day interaction for us, and we understand it. But a lot of folks, a lot of these customers, they think, you know, you just take the box weight and whatever the indicator is for a division size is the tear size, and oh boy, they're losing a lot. But hey, that's their business.